Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today I have prepared another blood relationship problem for you. As usual, I recommend you to pause video here, try to solve this problem on your own first, and when you would be ready you can run video again and you can compare your answer with my answer and explanation. So here's the problem. If A $B means A is a brother of B, A at B means A is a wife of B, A number B means A is a daughter of B, and A asterisk B means A is a father of B, which of the following indicates that U is a father-in-law of P? So how we are going to approach this problem? Take a look. If A $B means A is a brother of B, so let's put B on top of every $, which would indicates brother. So we put B here, here, and here. Now next, if at sign means A is a wife of B, so let's put W here, 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 and here. So next would be number sign, means A is a daughter of B. So let's put D where we see number sign. So D here, which is daughter, here, here, and here. And the last asterisk means A is the father of B. So let's put F, and we put F here, we put F here, we put F here, and we put F here. I want to start with answer D. P is a wife of Q, so P is a wife of Q. And Q is a brother of T, so Q is a brother of T, and they have parents. Like any child on our planet should have parents. So, and T is a daughter of W. T is a daughter of W. That means that some of the parents have to be W, and W is a father of U. So W is a father, so this person has to be W, and he is a father of U. So we should add another child here, and sex is not specified, so we use this sign. Now again, which of the following indicates that U is a father-in-law of P? And of course U wouldn't be a father-in-law of P, but instead would be with a brother-in-law or sister-in-law, depending on the sex, which we don't know, of P. So this is wrong answer. Now let's check answer C. Again, P is wife of Q, so P is a wife of Q, so Q have to be male, and Q is a brother of W, Q is a brother of W, and W is a father of T, so W is a father of T. We also can add parents here on top, which are not mentioned, but we know that if we have two brothers, they should have parents. So we have T, and T is a daughter of U. So T is a daughter of U. So this person has to be U. So according to this pedigree, how U can call P? You can say that P is a wife of her husband's brother. So as you see, this is a wrong answer. But now pay attention to answer B. It is almost identical to the answer C. We just replace some letters, and let's, instead of building a new pedigree, let's just replace letters. So according to the answer B, P is a wife of W, so P is a wife of W, and W is a brother of Q. So we put Q here, and Q is a father of T, Q is a father of T, and T is a daughter of U. So again, we have U here, we have P here, and U is unrelated to P, or at least is not father-in-law of P. Now we know that the correct answer is A, but let's build a pedigree for the answer A. Again, P is a wife of Q, so P is a wife of Q, and Q is a brother of T, so Q is a brother of T, and here are parents of the siblings, and T is a daughter of U, so T is a daughter of U. But who is U? U is the father of W, so father means this person, and we should add another sibling here who is going to be W. Sex is not specified, so we include in this symbol. So now let's check. According to this pedigree, U would be a father-in-law of P. Again, which of the following indicates that U is a father-in-law of P? Again, U is the father of Q, Q is a husband of P. That means that P would be a daughter-in-law of U, and U would be a father-in-law of P. So as you see, the correct answer is A. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write your comments, questions if you have any. Share this video with your classmates, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.